Brookfield Property Partners LP owns and operates real estate. The company's partnership is Brookfield Asset Management, primary vehicle to make investment across strategies in real estate. So it owns lots of real estate in various places throughout the world. One investment that it owns, which really surprised me, is it owns Center Parcs, which they acquired in 2015. It operates 5 short break holiday destinations in the UK. Now, there's its Center Parcs in Suffolk, which I'm aware of, and I've known several people who go there for short breaks, and I was quite surprised that this American-based company owned them. They also own many other types of real estate, hotels, blocks of flats, and shopping malls, etc. So I've done my research, and looking at the price now is $15.83 per share. 52-week range is $7.10 to $20.13. Now the price now, $15.83, to the price of what it was, the highest in the 52-week range 2013, that if that did increase back to that represents a 20% increase. Brokers' sentiment is that they foresee the price of the shares going up to $16.45, which represents 5.5%. So whichever way you look at it, there's a potential of growth on the value of the shares. The other thing that attracts me to them is dividend. You can sort of buy these shares and sit on them and earn a nice income. They pay dividends quarterly, and the dividend yield at the moment is 8.54%. Now, 8.54% on your investment is rather good compared with you get no or virtually any interest if you deposit your cash in a bank. So it's today's decision is to invest £100 in Brookfield Property Partners, and I'm going to invest using my Trading 212 platform app. As I say, I have other apps where I invest in shares, but today I'm using this one. I've got over £100 cash in the account ready, so we're going to go for buy value, not number of shares but value. Then you can buy fractional shares, and we're going for 100. Then we review the order, and that's it's my other mobile phone going off, but I'll let that just run. That'll go on to answer phone. It's a market buy at £100. Number of shares 8.542. No commission. The market's not open yet. It's on New York Stock Exchange. The market is closed, and that opens in 3 hours 22 minutes because we're on Friday morning. And yeah, so we've actually placed the pending orders. We've bought £100 worth of shares at market price. So when the stock exchange opens, the shares will be bought at whatever the current market price is. So later on today, we will own some shares in Brookfield Property. I hope you found this interesting. This isn't advice, but this is what I'm doing. So this sounds quite an attractive share to buy for a bit of growth in the value of the share, plus a nice dividend payment every quarter. So I think this is a share I may hang on to. And as I say, I'll come back to these later on, and I'll rationalise my portfolio of all the property shares I've owned and get my head around the whole lot and do a video explaining where I'm going. So till next time, please subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube, and I bid you a very happy and successful investing adventure.